Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. We're going to work on making your writing just that much better today. So, what we're going to do is we're going to work on adding dialogue. Now, dialogue in a story is what people say. You don't want your whole story to be dialogue like, um, oh no, said mom. What? Said Sally. Like back and forth a whole conversation. But adding a piece or two of dialogue or talking in parts of your story really makes it seem like you're there as a reader. So your readers will feel like they're there and they'll know what the person said at the time. So when we add dialogue, we want to make sure that we add it and so it sounds interesting. I'm going to read a couple pages here or a couple lines from our Rain Stomper book. So if we look at this story, at the beginning, I'm just going to full screen it here a minute. At the beginning, you'll notice it says, just a second. My title's in the way. I think it says, "Shudder, shudder," Jasmine muttered. "Cloud crasher," she complained. "Parade wrecker," she rumbled. Now, boys and girls, those are all things that she said. So if I said, oh man, just a second. I had to check and see what the first line was. It says mud puddler. So if I read it like this, "Mud puddler," Jasmine said. "Cloud crasher," Jasmine said. "Parade wrecker," Jasmine said. That really doesn't tell you how she feels, like she just said it every time. And then we're repeating the word said, 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 said. Boys and girls, sometimes it gets a little boring when you repeat the same word and it doesn't show you how she felt. Now, if I said mud puddler, Jasmine muttered. And when you mutter, you say it like this because you're mad. "Cloud crasher," she complained. That shows you that she's not happy. "Parade wrecker," she rumbled. When we say Jasmine muttered, Jasmine complained, she rumbled, instead of said, that really tells you how she feels. So instead of saying said in our story, after we say what the words, we add dialogue, I'm going to show you a few things that we can say instead of the words said.